Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. This video is a little different than our usual videos. We're not learning how to sign a song. We're going to learn how to sign John 3:16. But before we get started, you should know I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Also, if you look below this video in the description, there are some helpful links, especially if you're going to consider signing with us in the future. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so the trickiest thing about signing verses is the reference. So we're gonna do it right away. So for John, we have to finger spell it. So to make a J, you have your pinky and you make it in the shape of a J. J. O, you're taking your fingers and making an O. H, you have your index finger and your third finger coming straight out. And then N, it's convenient that we're making it right after an H because our thumb is going to go between our third and our fourth finger, like that. Okay, so let's try that. J, O, H, N. J, O, H, N. And then 3:16. So chapter 3, chapter, you make like a P with your hands. Okay. Chapter 3, so for 3 it's like this. Your last two fingers are down. In some places, because ASL varies from geographic region, it also varies from generation to generation. So some people have their palm out and some people, and most commonly palm in for me, okay? So 3, okay, but either or. 3 and then 16. So verse, you kind of flip your hand out like this, verse, and then do the P again. Verse 16, you start with a fist and then you go like this. 16. Like I said, the reference is the trickiest stuff. And if the reference is too hard for you, just leave it out and learn the verse, okay? But this is 16. Okay, now let's learn the good stuff. For God so loved the world. Okay, God, you don't have to sign for. It's like this, or sometimes you see people do Fs, but you don't have to do it because in ASL you leave out the little words and you just hit the big ideas, okay? God, so that's making the letter B down the middle of your face. God so loved, give yourself a hug. And then world, make 2 W's and you go around, okay? God so loved the world that he, pointing to God in heaven, he gave. So to give is a directional sign, and these are G's, and this is God giving to us. So we're going to do it like this. He gave his one and only, okay? One, only. And then son, you have here, this is what signifies male, kind of like the ball cap. And then his son, we go down to a baby, okay? His son. That whoever, who, okay? So your thumb is kind of here at your chin, and then with your index finger, you kind of make that bendy. Whoever, okay? Whoever. I've also seen for all, okay? All who believe in him. You can do that too, okay? Whoever or all believe. So you have something here that you know and you can count on it, okay? Believe, okay? Believe in him will not perish. So not, kind of a thumb coming out from your chin, or I've also seen people just go like this, not, or people shaking their head. It works, okay? Whichever you're more comfortable, will not perish. So for perish, you have your 2 hands out, one palm up, one palm down, and then you flip. Okay? Perish. Sorry, will not perish, but have eternal life. So for eternal, go always. So that's your index finger making a circle, and then you have your thumb and your pinky finger, and you push it out. Always and forever. Okay, and then life, you have your L's here, you bring them to your stomach and then up towards your ribs. Okay, that's John 3:16. Let's practice a few times. So John 3:6, so John, chapter 3, verse 16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him will not perish, but have eternal life. Okay, let's try it again. Good job, everyone. Stick with it. You will get there. John, John, chapter 3, verse 16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him will not perish, but have eternal life. Okay, practice as many times as you need to. I'm super proud of you guys for getting this far, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.